Hey Kansas City, it's time again for another housing market update. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, bringing you this month's market update from the huge obstacle at Lake of Olathe, just ready for another one of your summer adventures. Now, when we look at our housing market this May compared to May 2022, we see closed houses down 18.1% overall in Kansas City. We do see home values for the price up 3.2% overall Kansas City and 5.7% in Johnson County. As we look at the number of homes for sale, those have decreased, giving us an inventory increase from 1.3 months to 1.5 months. So not huge, but you definitely can tell there's just not quite as many homes for sale May of this year compared to last year. Now for the question of the month. What is my home worth with these increasing home values in the Kansas City area? Well, we are happy to give you an estimate. If you wait till the end of the video, there'll be a QR code which you can scan and get an estimate evaluation. If you're looking for something more specific, we're happy to provide that as well, but this should get you off to a good start. Kansas City, I hope your summer adventures are off to a wonderful start. As always, we're here to assist you, your friends, and family with their home goals. Have a great day.